how to recover Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. So if you want to recover your Gmail account without phone number and recovery email, then first you need to open up your Google or your browser, anything that you are comfortable with. Go with the search. Under search, you need to search for recover Gmail account. Once you search here, you will have how to recover your Gmail account or Google account. Go with the first option, which will take you to the support page of Google. Once you're here, you just need to simply scroll down and go with forgot your password, and here you will have recover your Google account or Gmail account, right? Simply tap on that and it will take you to the account recovery page, where you just need to simply enter your email or your phone number. So I'll be choosing email. Tap on next, and then here you just need to simply go with your passkey. If you've added a passkey, then you don't need to enter your phone number or your recovery email. You just need to simply go with continue, which is on the bottom right, and you can use your fingerprint, face, or your lock screen to recover your account. And here it says welcome back, and you can also update your password if you forgot your password, but if you remember, then just simply go with continue, which is on the right side, and that's it. That's how you can recover your Gmail account without your phone number or your recovery email. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.